Yo, what's going on, guys? Next Landscaper here, back with another video for you. Today, I'm just going to be doing something real simple. I got the factory fuel filter I'm going to be changing. Here's the model, part numbers. You guys want to take a screenshot? There you go. Super easy to do. Truck's got about almost 11,000 miles on it. It's time for a change. And with that being said, I'm going to change the oil too. Guys, I've made a video before, but I'll just quickly run through it again. There's your factory part number. That's the oil I'm going to be using. Also for the fuel filter, you could use a lot of guys use a wrench, but I just bought the correct socket. It's a 36 millimeter, I'm sorry, 36 millimeter socket. Attaches to your ratchet, and that thing comes right down inside the box. Is going to be a fuel filter and 2 O-rings. That's your main O-ring, and then there's a small little guy right there, and your fuel filter. Pretty straightforward. There are upgrade kits. Whirly's actually making one now that you could use bigger and better filters, you know, the cat filters and stuff. I'm going to do that eventually. I just happened to buy this filter a while ago, and there's no sense in throwing $35 out the window. So once I use this filter and it's time to change it again, we're going to upgrade. So that being said, hang tight and we'll get rocking and rolling. Alright, so as you guys already know, my truck's not lifted, it's not leveled yet. That's in the works. We're getting that done soon. So I got to drive it up on these little ramps just so I can get on there a little easier. So yeah, we'll get that going. Then I'll show you guys how to take care of that oil filter, fuel filter rather. I'm sorry. Alright, so this is where we're going to be looking here. It's your driver's side rear door. Straight down, straight underneath, that's where your fuel filter is. So I'll meet you guys down under there. Alright, so we're going to try to set you guys up. There she is right there. That's your fuel filter. I already put the socket, the whatchamacallit on there. The socket. So this is gonna come straight down. I might be in the way of the shot, but let's see. It's fucking tight. Just be careful. We're gonna start getting fuel coming down any minute. Just make sure you have your drain pan underneath too. I forgot to mention that. I'm sure that's common sense to you guys. But I've been using 1 brand of fuel since I had this truck, so I'm curious to see how dirty it is or how clean this fuel filter is. We're gonna find out in 2 minutes. Anyways, you can see how dirty this filter is. Definitely it's time to be changed. Nice and dirty black. Alright, so there's 2 O-rings. There's, like I said, the big O-ring that's going to be on your cup or your whatever this is. And then there's a little smaller O-ring up top. I don't know if you guys can see it. See that blue O-ring right there? I'm just gonna get a little pick that out, put the new one on. Right here, a little pick. Let's see if I can do this where you guys can see. Probably not. Alright, that one's done. Take your same pick out your cup O-ring. That comes out. Self-explanatory, put the 2 new O-rings on. Alright, another little tip too is coat your little O-ring a little bit of diesel fuel before you put it back. This way it slides on there nicely. Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Here's your new O-ring. It's coated in diesel. We're going to put it on your cup. I'm going to do it off camera because I'm laying on my back. And it's not that hard to do. See? Seat's right in the spot where it's supposed to go. Now we're just going to grab our new filter. I mean, look at the difference. The difference in color. I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, it's time to be changed. There's all gunk and crap in there. When we get back, I'll like squeeze it and stuff. We can see how much dirt comes out of it. But it's pretty dirty. So there's 2 sides to this thing. There's this top piece right here, and let's see, bottom piece. I think it can only go in one way. Yeah. That piece goes up. Okay. Alright, let's get this thing back in. And see, if you use the correct socket, it's perfectly good for next time. Although, like I said, I do plan on changing it and upgrading it, so you just get the bigger cat spin-on filters. Those are pretty nice, as opposed to the factory AC Delco ones, which is, you know, not bad. It does what it does, but this is just kind of an extra step you got to do to take this cover off and then take the filter off. So we'll just wipe all this down, and that's that for the filter. So here we are up the oil. If you guys don't remember from last time, it's a lucky number GM15. Whoops. Well, I cracked it at least. Let this go. Boom. Let that drain for a little while. Alright, so the problem I had, well, all you guys have, is the freaking oil filter. When you take it off, it spills everywhere. So Scott Link, thanks bud, I like this idea. Take a piece of tin foil, shove it up in there, make a little channel, and there you go. You got a nice little oil slide. So we'll take that filter off and see how this little oil slide works. Alright, so this is super difficult, one-handed here, but I just, oh come on, damn it. Alright, stay right there. I just cracked it, so we're going to see how this little oil avalanche does. And shit, look at that, pretty damn good. Again, thanks Scott Link, check him out. He's got a YouTube channel as well. Appreciate it, bud. Alright, so last time when we filled the oil, it was kind of comical. I was spilling oil everywhere, so I went and got one of these cool little Amazon deals right there, and that kind of fits pretty good. Boom, just like that. So we'll see how this goes, filling this up. Alright, well, as far as I can see, so far so good. This funnel is a win, as long as it stays put. Alright, so oil's all done, fuel filter's all done. All we gotta do is cycle the key a couple times to prime this system again. Shut it off. You know what, let me shut the door so it's less of a pain in the ass. You guys can't hear it, I could hear it though. Again. And one more time for good luck, and should be able to start. Beautiful. Alright, last thing, we'll go ahead and reset the oil and reset the fuel filter. Boom. It's staying at 41%. Should be at 100. Hey, look, my DEF is okay. It's weird that's staying there right there. I wonder if I shut it off and turn it back on again. Let's try that. There we go. Now it's at 100. Perfect. And my DEF is still okay. Alright, what I'm going to do is take it off the ramps here, check the oil one more time. We're up on an incline, so it's going to read off a little bit. Alright, off the ramps. Let's open the hood. Let's see where we're at here. Put you guys down. There we go. A bit of a wipe. And we are right on the money. Look at that. Perfect. Awesome. Alright. Give you guys a quick tour of under the hood again. Look how nice that looks. It's a beautiful thing. All the room for activities. A lot of room for activities right there. Yeah. Alright guys, I guess that wraps it up. Quick and easy. Saves you money from going to the dealer. Do it yourself. It's not that hard. Basic tools. Just the average guy, man. Do it yourself. You save money. So, alright. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.